What we're seeing, the long-term future, what the Medicare and the insurance companies are looking for is moving to be like Visa and MasterCard, where they sort of catch something they don't like and don't pay you up front, because the rights of the insurance company and the government are much, much higher if they haven't paid you yet. But we're absolutely seeing a rise of post-payment. The only good news on post-payment is your rights are so much different when you're holding the money. We are seeing people, insurance companies, doing things like offsetting, which is, by the way, illegal and something you need to know your rights and fight back against. But when it's a post-payment, your rights are much, much better. There's actually a case, I took it out of my slides, but I'm happy to share it with anybody, that's a really important case for providers to know about post-payment. It's called AOKI, AOKI Diabetes Research Center. It was a case that Blue Shield lost about 7-8 years ago. And it's a great case for providers in California. What happened was AOKI was set up as a clinic, and they didn't follow the licensing laws. They weren't structured appropriately, so it turned out they weren't a professional corporation. They were a diabetes treatment, a dialysis center running as an LLC, which is illegal in California. So Blue Shield came and said, okay, we paid you $3 million. Let's have the money back. And so the appellate court in California said, absolutely not. If you rendered services in good faith, and there was some inadvertent problem, you weren't committing fraud, you just didn't know, you made a mistake, we are not going to give insurance companies back their money because that would be an unfair hardship. It's just not fair to do that. So when you've already been paid, your rights are significantly higher, and you have all kinds of arguments that you don't have when they haven't paid you yet.